There is more at stake on Wednesday than whether or not tariffs will be allowed to continue. It also sets the stage for what could be a complete structural change to how the U.S. Congress conducts itself. The court is being asked to determine whether the pillars of Donald Trump's economic policy will continue to stand up, as the justices determine whether two sets of tariffs have any merit. That includes the ding to Canada, Mexico, and China on trafficking issues on national security claims, something lower courts have rejected.
IEEPA has never been used before to add tariffs on imports. This is a novel interpretation of the law to say that the trade deficit is an emergency and therefore the president has the right to levy tariffs. It doesn't say anywhere in IEEPA that the president can allow duties. The word duty or tariffs is not present in IEEPA anywhere.
Now, a ruling against Trump could force the U.S. government to pay back all the tariffs collected so far and would undermine all of the trade deals that Trump has already made. The other trigger this case will pull is tied to what's called the major questions doctrine. Can one branch of government delegate powers, like taxing and tariffs, to another, and if so, to what extent? During the Biden administration, the Supreme Court routinely sided against him, arguing Congress had not authorized him to enact specific pieces of legislation. And after threatening to attend the hearings, which would have been unprecedented, Donald Trump is going to watch from afar.
I wanted to go so badly. I just don't want to do anything to deflect the importance of that decision.
Now, this case could be decided long before the end of the court's term next June. Until then, it's becoming a wait for Trump, with a majority of Americans not in favor of tariffs and more than 50% unhappy with him ending trade talks with Canada. Reggie Cecchini, Global News, Washington.